So guys, now we're going to use the TIGERTOOL. It's a piece of software to cycle the ABS pump. Now let's do that. First we're going to get the buddy seat off. Now, over here is the diagnose connector. So, okay. Then we have this interface, as they call it. It's an ODB2 interface. I'm gonna connect it to the bike, to the connector. Okay. This one goes into a USB port. Okay. 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 Then we say agree. Then step this side. First we're going to select port. COM 13. Okay. Then we say connect. Handshake. Okay. Then we go to the trouble codes. Reading it. No trouble codes found, which is good. Then we go to ABS and again check the ABS trouble codes. Reading ABS, checking, okay, and after that, when there are no trouble codes, we can bleed the ABS, and bleeding is the same as normal. So while the tool is running, we have to bleed it. Initializing. We have to bleed it here. Okay, I'm gonna have a look. So then I'm going to put this one over here. This one back on. This one, we're going to do it again. Okay, and I'm bleeding again. Let's do it one more time. Just for the fun. Yes. We're also gonna bleed the other side, but that's the same as this side. So now guys, now we're gonna fill it up. First get this one off. Okay, then we have our splash screen. Okay. Oops. Up. Especially those edges are very important. So, yes. This. Okay. Yes. That's good. This is the membrane and we already cleaned it. Do another one for the edges. Okay. Okay. I always use a bit of grease on the screws, so the next time the next mechanic get the screws out easy as they'll. Now we're going to fill it. Okay, well, I have a tip. An important tip. I always fill it just below the max marking. Otherwise, when you push in this one, brake fluid comes out. You can always see it when there is a lot of oxidation. Paint is off over here. So first, hop, that one. Okay. Yes. Then we have the lid, Triumph facing the driver. Oh, that of my okay. Not too tight. Tight and tight. That's enough. Then, of course, give it another clean. Job done. Okay. So guys, this was my video about Triumph, a Tiger 800 XRx. We used the TIGERTOOL to cycle, to activate the ABS pump, to get the air out, as some people, like myself, on the Beamer, I never get the ABS to work. It's only for an emergency brake. Until now I only had it one time. So it's good to activate your ABS module at least every year, so it don't get stuck over time. Was it easy? Absolute. Can you do it? With my video? Totally sure. Absolute. So drop that simple. Save you a lot of money, eh? Now that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video too. See you the next time. Old Mechanic out.